In this video, I am going to explain the concept of interface. Now, what is interface? Interface is a block in Java which is quite similar to abstract class. The difference between interfaces and abstract classes is that every method of interface is abstract. That is, no method should be defined in the interface. Now, let's create an interface. To create an interface, we have to use the keyword interface followed by a name, say ABC. Now, create a method void display. Now, in an interface, every method must be abstract and public. So, write the keyword public. But as all the methods of interfaces are implicitly abstract, we don't need to use the keyword abstract. Just put a semicolon at the end of the function name, which makes it abstract. Now, if we try to instantiate this interface, we will get an error like this. This is because this interface is abstract, so we can't instantiate an interface. Now, in order to use the interface, first let's comment it. Now, in order to use the interface, we need to implement it by a class. It is like inheriting the class, only it uses the keyword implements instead of extends. So, now let's create a class, say my class, which will implement this interface. Now, when a class implements an interface, we have to define all the abstract methods of the interface inside the implementing class. You can write any implementation code inside the method that suits your need. Let's say a simple print statement. So, now I am going to define this method inside the class and just typing a simple print statement. So I am just typing hello here. Now we can create object of this class. And using this object, we can call our method. Now let's run this code. Now it gets compiled. Now when I am running the code, I will get the output. So the code works fine. Now an interface can also contain fields which must be declared by the modifier static and final. So let's create a field inside our interface. Let's say public static final. Let's create a string. String variable. and initialize it with Java. Now this field can be used inside the implementing class also. So we are gonna type just the name. So we can use the fields that are declared inside the interface. Now one thing about interface, a class can implement more than one interface. In case of inheritance, a single class can extend only a single class, but in case of inheritance, a single class can implement more than one interface. So now let's create another interface, say interface XYZ, and inside this let's create a method public void, say fun, and this will also be the abstract method. Now to make implementation of this new interface, that is XYZ, just type the interface name here, because I am implementing this interface using the same class, my class. So now my class implements two interfaces, one is ABC and another is XYZ, and also define the method of the new interface. So I am also writing a simple print statement here. Let's delete it and just say hello, and I'm just saying bye. So in Java we can implement more than one interface using the same class. So in this way Java implements the concept of multiple inheritance. An interface can also extend another interface, just like a class extends another class, but a single class only extends a single class, but an interface can extend multiple interfaces. The extends keyword is also used here to extend an interface, and the child interface inherits the methods of the parent interface. So that's all about interfaces in Java. That's all for this video.